Open your folders and show the camera what you got. We'll go one at a time.
I am a driver.
Okay, so that pays you 10. Here you go.
Corporate.
Oh, corporate America. That pays you 20.
I am a marketer.
Oh, big money. Here you go. And that's how much money that you make. So you're going to have to choose from your house, your cars, things that you need, and just fun stuff. And what you'll see on there is there's a price next to all of them. Everything either costs 1, 2, or 3 bills. Okay, you guys got 60 seconds to spend your money. In 3, 2, 1. Whoa.
Come on.
Don't forget to pay the government first. I'm gonna need about 10 of that. I'm gonna need 5 of that. I'm gonna go ahead and need 2 of that.
2?
Yep, go ahead. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. We can't forget about the necessities. I need everybody to buy food, clothes, gas, electricity, water, and insurance. Yeah, this is getting rough, isn't it? It's getting tough. Go ahead, have a seat. How much money do you have left?
4 bills, 11, 16.
So, you guys ready to spend it now?
Yeah!
You got a house and car? So how much do you have left?
0. And party.
Clock, go. You don't want the big one?
No.
Okay. Is there anything that you wanted that you didn't get?
A giant mansion and the limo and the airplane.
How'd that make you feel?
It made me feel like I wish I had more.
I got to save some of my money.
It's time for an emergency! Corporate,
I don't have any money left.
driver, and the marketer.
Are we gonna get more money?
Please open your folders. You broke your arm. Your car broke down. I asked you to borrow money. Well, guess what, you guys?
What?
There's more! Give, save, and invest. This is the most important one that 95% of people don't do. So what do? Maybe we can turn back some of these things. Is there anything you guys can take away?
Yes.
So no phone. How'd that feel to have to sell your phone?
Party.
How's it feel to not be able to see your family because of money?
That sucks.
How do you feel?
Good.
Why?
Because I feel like I got most of the stuff I wanted.
So question, if we were to play this game again and you guys got to choose your jobs, which job would you pick?
Marketer.
Government. So guys, for everybody watching this video at home that's in this situation in real life, what should they do?
Buy Uncle Billy's stuff.
Uncle Billy's stuff.
What?
Buy Uncle Billy's
What?
stuff. Buy Uncle Billy's stuff.
What?